Are you struggling with writing codes? Do you need help to improve your logic building skills? Then you are at right place. We are beginning with a brand new Python programming series for you. In this programming series, we'll bring some unique and interesting problem statements for you, and we will have some interview preparation based problems as well. We will publish a problem statement on every Monday and Thursday at 3 p.m. and you'll have 1 day to solve these problems. We will come up with the solutions with coordination for these problems on following Wednesday and Saturday at the same time. So, are you excited? So, be ready to start a new journey and let's make coding easy. Thank you.